Hey everyone! Fridays are really busy for me, but I said that I was going to do a YouTube video every day of the year. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to see how fast I can do it. 'It's more than a minute. Minute and 9 seconds.
So I did a really good job of messing it up? Is that what I'm hearing?
Huh? Oh, maybe, yeah. You can say it like that.
I did a really good job of messing it up, and that's why it took you a minute and 9 seconds.
Yeah, instead of under a minute.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.